Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Gadgets Review. Looking for the best auto darkening welding mask in the markets. In this video, I listed top 5 best auto darkening welding mask of 2023. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best auto darkening welding mask. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. At number 5. Orders. Review. Rating. % off, link on description. Check the description link for full product information and price. At number 4. Orders. Review. Rating. % off, available in stock. At number 3. Orders. Review. Rating. % off, link on description. At number 2. Orders. Review. Rating. % off, available in stock. At number 1. Orders. Review. Rating. % off, link on description. Check the description link for full product information and price. Please click subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.